Hello.
Good morning, Uyen. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's great. You just wake up?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. For a while, we're going to have our Flyers 18. We are already in 18. Flyers 18 now. Okay. Let's have the morning song. Good morning, my dear Uyen. My pretty girl. How are you? Yes, good morning, Oyen, once again. Okay, so here now. Okay, before I would like to start, so let me have this picture. What can you see about that one? Or what can you say about that one?
No.
What have you seen in the picture? It has what? The picture has, go Oyen girl. The picture has what? Did you hear me, Oyen? Did you hear teacher?
No.
Did you hear me? Hello, Oyen.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so in the pictures, you can see, what is this? This is a clock. Oh, sorry. This is a clock. And then the other side is, what is this?
Money.
It's a money. Yeah, it's a money and it's a clock and the money. So therefore, you will have to clock indicates time. So therefore, you have to manage time for you to have the money. So this is the time and this is the money. So you need to work hard, work hard. You work, work, work so that you can have money, money, money. Do you understand, teacher? Did you understand, Uyen girl? You understand? Okay. So now we are here properly. We are on unit 18. So the title is, as what teacher Ann told you, we have time and work. Time, work. So you have to manage your time. You have to, like teacher Ann needs to wake up early because teacher Ann has a work with Uyan. Okay? And teacher Ann is a teacher. That is why teacher Ann should come early to school. Okay? Okay, Uyan girl, did you understand teacher?
Yes.
Okay, that's my girl. Now, Uyan, we have here telling the time. Okay, how to tell the time, teacher? You know already. What time is it in Vietnam now? In Vietnam, what time is it now? Right now, it's 7. What's the time in Vietnam?
7:10.
It's 7:10, teacher. In the Philippines, it's 17 or it's 6:10? It's 7:10. 10.
No, 6:10.
Okay, in the Philippines, it's already 7:14. In the Philippines, it's 7:14. Okay, so now look at here. Okay, it is hour. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, like that. It is hour plus minute. 1 hour and 15 minutes, like teacher Ann will say. Like this.
No.
Okay.
Là 1 tiếng.
1 hour and 10 minutes. Okay, like that.
In Vietnam, is talk like one million.
Okay.
À, 10, 10, 10 phút.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Yan here. 1 hour plus EM or PM? EM, it's morning.
Yes.
Okay.
AM.
It's morning. Very good. 1 hour, it's 6. Example, 6. 6, that's 6 hours. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Or it could be, you will say, 6 p.m. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. So a.m. in the morning and p.m. in the afternoon. Yeah, you understand this already, right?
Yes.
Okay, my dear Oyen, very good. Next one here, 10. Teacher, where is it? Okay. Next is a minute. To past plus hour. A minute, like 60 minutes, 30 minutes, like that. Okay. 30 minutes past 1. Okay. 30 minutes past 1. Okay. 30 minutes past 1. It's 1:30. Okay, like this. 30 minutes past 1. So it means it's 1:30. Okay, it's 1:30 already. 30 minutes past 1, it's 1:30 in the afternoon. 1:30 in the morning. Okay, do you understand this, Uyan?
Yes.
Okay, very good. For example, 1:05. It is 1:05. It is 5 plus past 1. Or look at this one. 1:05. It is 1:05 or it is 5 past 1. 5 past 1. Right? Right, Uyan? Did you understand my point? You understand, teacher Ann?
Yes.
Oh, the headset is there. The very cute headset. Oh, you wear it again? Okay. So, okay, here. So, again, 1:05. It is 1:05. Or you will say, if it is a minute to pass, you will say, it is 5 past 1, teacher. Okay, it's 5 past 1. Okay, or 30 minutes plus 5 is 5 minutes past 1. Okay, it's 1:05, teacher. Do you understand this expression, Oyen?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, look at this expression. Can you see that? Okay. This one, this is o'clock, half past, quarter past, quarter to. So half past, look at this one, 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past. Okay. But here, when you are in the left side, it's 5 to, 10 to, quarter to, 22, 25 to. So if I will say like this, oh yeah, look at this one. 6:30. What is that 6:30?
Is
This is half. This is 30. This is 30. This is 30. Half past.
6.
It's sorry.
And
It is. Look at teacher. Teacher is putting here. 30. 40.
I know.
Okay, yeah, 15. Go, Uyen.
5, 7, 11, 12.
630 is what?
I don't know.
You didn't know this? You didn't know the expression? You don't know this? I will tell.
Yes.
Teacher will tell. Okay. So here, when you see the word 30,
I
if
know.
if there is 30, you will see half past. Half past to 6. Half past. Yeah. Half.
The long one.
The long one is in 6, right? I know. The long one is in 30. The short one is in 6, right?
Yes.
Okay, like this. Okay, 10. This is the clock. Okay, I will change yellow. Okay, I will put it here. This is the long one. And of course, this is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will also put here the short one. Okay, can you see that? Can you see that? Okay. Okay, it's half past 6, right? Half past 6. Okay? Because it's 30. 30 Uyen is half past. Okay, you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, another example. One example, teacher. What if teacher Ann will say 2:45? 2:45. Where is 45 here? 45 is here. So it's 2:45. What will you say?
10 in the 10 one.
Okay. 45 is here. This one. This one is 45. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. What will you say to 45? It's 2:45. So what will be your answer? Look up here. Quarter to?
Wait, correct.
Quarter to?
It is 2.
Okay. Quarter to? 2. Very good. Quarter to 2. Because I said 2:45. Quarter to 2. Because 45, the expression of 45 Uyan is quarter to. Again, the expression of 45 is quarter to. Okay, that is why it's quarter to 45. Next one here. Okay, very good, Uyen. Next one. I will put here 3:15. How about 3:15? What is 3:15? Where is the 15 here? 15 is this one. What is a 15? 15. 5, 10, 15. Okay, 3:15 in the afternoon. So what will you say?
Wait.
Okay. Like this one, quarter to 2. It's 2:45. So you will read quarter to 2. It's 2:45. Okay, quarter to 2, it's 2:45. Quarter. So because here, in the expression, it's quarter to, the 45 here. In this one, the expression, Uyen, is 15. 15 is quarter past. So how will you say this? 15 is quarter past. How will you say this?
3 past. Past is.
Quarter, no. Quarter past. Quarter past. Because 15 is quarter past. Quarter past 2. Quarter past 3. Okay, look at teacher. Quarter, you will say first the expression 15. You find 15. What is 15? 15 is quarter past. Quarter past 3. Okay, another one more. Let's try so that you will be very good about. How about if teacher Ann will say 8. Okay, sorry. 8:25. What? Oh, sorry, 8:25. 8:25. What is 8:25, Uyen?
In the clock, don't have 10 or 5 or 20. It's don't have.
It's
These
have.
have
Look at teacher. 5, 10, 20, 15, 20, 25. Okay, teacher put here 25. So I am asking 8:25 in the morning. Okay. So what is the expression for 25? What will you say for 25? Here. What will you say for 25? Is it 25? Oh, look at the expression. Look at here, the equivalent thing. Like 15. 15 is quarter past. How about 25? 25 is? Look at the computer, Uyan. 25 is 20. Oh, read please. 25 is?
25 is
25?
past.
Past. Yeah, it's 25 past. So how will you say 8:25? How will you read it?
Wait.
How will you read it? So like this, quarter past. 15 is quarter past. Look at this one. 15, Uyen is quarter past. 15. 15 is quarter past. So teacher Ann said 3:15. So you will say quarter past 3. Okay, it's 3 here. 3 is 3. And past is 15. Okay, how about 8:25? What is the expression of 25? Can you tell me the expression of 25? 25 is? What is 25? 25 is 25. Go, Oyen girl. Go, Oyen girl. 25 is? Go, Oyen. 25 is 25. Past. It's here, Oyen. 25 past. Okay, so you will write. What will you write? Can you write it here? Can you write it for teacher? Can you write it here? Okay, it's 25. Okay, you write now. Go. Thank you. Mas Rosel. Okay, I will wait you.
Oh,
Oh, what is that? Okay, go yan.
Why? You don't have any place.
Okay, 25. Yeah, it's 25. 25 past 8. Can you try to write it?
I can write, but it's very
Okay, it's
small.
okay. Oh yeah, it's okay. 25 past. What's the number? What's the number? Number? Oh, you write the number now, so you can try. Okay, what is the number? What do you think is the number? It's letter. Oh yeah, 25 past. Did you write the number? It's 25 past 8. Okay, it's 25 past 8. Yeah, it's 8. 25 plus past 8. Okay. So you understand this already, Oyen? Please tell teacher. You understand this now?
Yes.
Okay, you understand? Are you sure you understand this now?
Yes.
Okay. So that's good. So every time that look at this one, just one example. Example 25, 8, 25. The expression is 8 or the time is 8:25. So you will write here 25 past. Again, 25 past. Okay, 25 past 8. So you will put first 25. Okay, you find where is 25 here. 25 is here. So 20, what is 25? 25 is 25 past.
25.
Past. So you will write 25 past. What's the time? What's o'clock? It's 8. 25 past 8. Okay, did you understand, Teacher Ann now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next one, Uyan. I will erase. So many things. Okay, this is the proper clock. Okay, AM in the morning, in the afternoon. Okay, in the evening, it's night. Okay, can you see this? Look at the clock. Okay, this is the clock. Okay, what's the time in the clock, Uyan? Uyan, can you see the time in the clock? It's
Yes.
10. It's 10:10. Yeah. The expression is 10:10. So how will you read it? How will you read it? 10:10. 10:10 is, look at this one.
Wait.
Yeah, go in, girl. 10.
Wait.
Okay.
B. Wait a minute.
Okay, sure. Wait a minute, teacher.
Okay.
Okay. So the answer here is 10:10. That is 10.
Is
10? What was 10 here? 10 is here. 10 past.
10.
Past.
10.
Yeah, very good. It's 10 past 10, teacher Ann. Okay, it's 10. So it's 10 past 10. Very good, Uyen. You understand now. Okay, let's proceed to the next. Okay, we have here. Now, look at the clocks and tell what time is it. Look at the clocks and tell what time is it, teacher. Okay. What time is in the clock? First, the clock is number 1. It's 9:10. 9:10. What's the expression for 9:10?
Where?
Okay, here. This is 9:10. Here is 7:25. Here is 6:05. Here is 12:15. So we will read it together. 19, Uyen. Okay, look at 19. Okay, look at teacher Ann. We will read the expression 19, number 1. Okay, we will read it as what? 10. It's 10. Look at teacher. 10 past 9. Okay, can you see that? Number 1, it's 10 past 9. Okay, it's 9:10.
Number 2 is
Number 2, go.
wait.
Go, Uyen. Look up here. You can see the clock here.
5.
What's number 2? Number 2 is here. This is number 2. 7:25.
Is 5:14.
Where? No. Here. 7. 7. It's 7. The long hand and the short hand is in 7. And the long hand is in 5. Look at here, the short hand. Short hand is 7 and the long hand is 5. It is, look at the 5 here. 25 is 25. Yeah, 25. A teacher will write. Go. Dictate it to me. 25 past. It's 25 past.
25.
Here. Past. Oh, past. What's the o'clock?
5.
Here. 25 past. What's this? This one.
That's 70.
Okay, 25. Very good. 25 past 7. That's 7:25. Okay? Okay, next, number 3. 6:05. How will you read it?
6:05.
How will you read it? Okay, look at 5. 5 is here in the right.
5.
5 past what? Five past. What's the o'clock, Uyen? 5 past. Where is the shorthand? The shorthand is 6. Yes. 5 past 6. Again, 5 past 6.
6.
That is 6:05. Okay? Okay, Uyan, did you understand? Number 4, 12:15. How will you read 12:15?
12.
Okay, look at number 15.
5.
5, 10, 15. How will you read 12:15?
Cái này của phải Trâm nói.
Okay, how will you read 15. 12, 15. Okay, look at the sample clock. Okay, 5. This is number 5, Uyen. Number 10, number 15. How will you read it? 15 first. Where's number 15? It's in the right. It's in the past. Past.
5,
Okay.
5,
Okay. The short hand is in 12. The long hand is in 15. Look at this one. This is 15. 3 is 15.
15
Okay.
past 11.
Okay, it's not 11. It's 12. Okay.
12.
15 is quarter past. Look at the clock, Uyen. It's in the right side. Look at the clock. There's a clock here. The clock here.
Yes.
This one. Can you see that one? Okay. So past. We are talking here past. 15 is here. 5, 10, 15. 15 is
5 past.
okay.
11.
Okay.
12.
Now it's 12. Okay. 15 is quarter past. Quarter past. What's the o'clock? Where is the shorthand?
The short hand is 11.
Oh, are you sure 11? 11 is here.
12.
12. Okay, very good. Quarter, you will read it as 12, 15. Can be read as what? Quarter. Look at teacher. Quarter past 12. Okay. 12, 15 is quarter past 12. Okay? Okay, Uyan, do you understand? Do you understand, Teacher Anne?
Yes.
Okay. So again, 15 here. Look at this one. We are talking here about the past. It's in the right side. 5, 10, 15. Okay. 15 is quarter past. 15 is quarter past. Okay. So you will read it as quarter past 12. Teacher, why it is 12? Because look at this one, Oyen girl. The shorthand is it's still in 12. Okay, can you see the shorthand?
Yes.
Yeah, the shorthand is still in 12. It's not in 1. It's not in 11. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. You have to find the o'clock is the shorthand. Okay, the o'clock is the shorthand. And okay, so you understand this. 12, 15. 12, 15. Okay, you will read 12, 15 as quarter past 12. So 12, 15 again, you will read it as quarter past 12. Okay? But look at this one. What if, teacher, it's 12:45? How will I read? How will I read 12:45? Okay, where is 45 here? Okay, 45 is this one, in the clock. Look at the clock. It's 30. Look at this one. Half past is 30. 30, 30, 30, 35. Okay, 45. Okay, and quarter to. So you will read 12:45 as quarter to 12. Okay, because 45 is here. Oh yeah, and this is 45. Quarter to is 45. Again, quarter to is 45. So the o'clock, the shorthand is in 12. So you will say quarter to 12. Okay, do you understand now? Do you understand, Uyan? Do you understand? Tell Teacher Anne.
Yes.
Oh yes, teacher. I understand, teacher. Okay, wait for a while. I have to check back. Okay. Okay, can you see that? So always remember, Oyen, this is the o'clock, 12 o'clock. This is 30, half past. 15 is quarter past. 45 is quarter to. Okay? Okay, Oyen?
Yeah.
Okay. So don't worry, we don't have the test like that. But if we need time, we have to repeat that one. Okay. You can also study that in your home. And then as you can see the clock, oh, what is the time, Oyen? Okay. You have to wake up early, Oyen, because you still have a class. So you have to look at the clock. Do you really know how to read the clock? You know, Oyen? The
I know
shorthand?
already.
Yeah, very good. If that is
And
exact,
so
you
I
know,
know
hmm?
I know after I go to the class in grade grade
Grade one?
one.
Oh, really? Wow, very good. Oh, really? So you're doing that one. Very good. Yay. Okay, so you're doing great. Next one here. I'll listen. Okay, let's move here. Okay, teacher and will teacher and I will erase this one. Okay, what time is it? Okay, what time is it, Uyan? This is 3 o'clock. Okay, what is the time is this? This is, okay, teacher and Oyan will answer this one. Letter B, remember to write the time in all different ways. Okay, so 3 o'clock, this is 3 o'clock. And letter B, what's the time?
8,
Half past.
8 what?
Okay, half, look at the time. Half past 8. Oh, very good. It's 8:30, teacher. Very good. 8:30 a.m. It's 8:30. And you can also read it half past 8. Okay? Half past 8. It's 8:30. How about 16? Can you do this? What's the letter C answer? You write your answer in the blank, in the gaps. You write your answer in the gaps. 16 is the military time. So how will you read it? It's military time. You know how to read military time?
4 o'clock.
Oh, very good. 4 o'clock, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yay. Oh, you're right there. Your answer 4 o'clock. Oh, very smart girl. Okay. Oh, very good. How about this one, letter D? It's also military time. What is that? Thirteen, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What is that?
7.
Oh, you're right there. Go in, girl. Oh, I love your headset. It's so cute. It's a piggy piggy. The piggy, the mousy. Oh, go, Uyan. You can do it, Uyan. It's military time. Half past 8. Okay, military. Another answer. 1915. What's that? It. Okay, you told me already. It's 7.
Mẹ đã nuôi nên đợi xe đến đi nó cũng gần đâu thôi. Nó bị trùng đỏ.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What is this? Look at teacher Ann. What is this? It is 7. What? The answer is, did you type the answer?
Wait.
Yeah, okay. I will wait here.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know how to write.
Okay, I'll be the one. Okay, I will erase. Can I erase this one? Bukan teacher, this one only I will erase. Okay. So that time is, what's your time? Just tell the teacher. It's 1915 is what time?
7.
7:15. Okay. 7:15. Very good. Or you can say a 7:15. Okay. You can say 7:15 or 7:15. How about letter E? What's this? What's the time? This is? Oh, yes? This is 9:45. Yes. It's not. It's 9:45, teacher. Or 45 is quarter to 10. It's quarter to 10. Quarter to 10. Okay. Here. Okay. Look at this one. How about letter F? It's quite blurry. It's 10:35. Okay. 10:35. Oh, yan. Look at the clock. The clock is so small. I cannot read it clearly. The clock is 10:35. It's very small. Oh, yan. Look at this one. Can you read the clock? Yeah, the clock is small. 10:35, 10. The short time is in 10. And here we have 35. It's 10:35. Okay. Or you can say 25 to 11. Or you can say 25 to 11. Okay. 25 to 11 here. You can say 25 to 11. Sorry, the clock is very small. Very small. I cannot see it. Okay. So now here, Let's have here the time. Okay, let us hear this one. Just listen with the time.
18b.
Okay.
Time and work. Listen and look. There is one example. 1. What time is lunch today?
Bye, Mom. See you at 3:30.
Wait, Sally! You have to be back before that. Lunch is at 3 o'clock today.
That's late for lunch. We usually have it at 2.
I know, but not today.
Can you see the number 1? Now you listen and write 2, 3 and 4. 2. What time does the boys' television program begin?
There's a great program on TV tonight.
What time is it on? I want to watch the news at 9 p.m.
No problem. Mine starts at 7:15 and finishes at 8:30.
Okay, it's 8:30.
3. What time does Anne have to get up for school?
Do you have to get up early, Anne?
Not this week, because I'm on holiday. I get up at 10. But when it's school time, I have to get up at 8:30.
Do you? I get up at about 7 o'clock every day.
4. What time is it now?
Quick, May. It's late.
No, it isn't. It's only 4 o'clock. The film doesn't start until 4:30.
Oh, sorry. My watch is wrong. It says 25 minutes past.
That's okay.
Okay, letter C is 4 o'clock. Again, letter A is 3 o'clock. Letter B is 8:30. Letter C or 8:30 or past 8:30. And letter C is 4 o'clock. And letter D, can you see this one? It's a military time. It's 7:15. It's 19:15, but 7:15. Okay, you can also read this as 7:15. Next is 9:45. 9:45. And letter F, Uyen, letter F is 10:35 or 25 past 25 quarter to 11. Okay. Okay, the answer. So I will have here, so listen again and answer the question. I will let you listen again, Uyen, listen again and answer the question. One more, listen again.
18b. Time and work. Listen and look. There is one example. 1. What time is lunch today?
Bye, Mom. See you at 3:30.
Wait, Sally! You have to be back before that. Lunch is at 3 o'clock today.
That's late for lunch. We usually have it at 2.
I know, but not today.
Can you see the number 1? Now you listen and write 2, 3 and 4. 2. What time does the boys' television program begin?
There's a great program on TV tonight.
What time is it on? I want to watch the news at 9 p.m.
No problem. Mine starts at 7:15 and finishes at 8:30.
3. What time does Anne have to get up for school?
Do you have to get up early, Anne?
Not this week, because I'm on holiday. I get up at 10. But when it's school time, I have to get up at 8:30.
Do you? I get up at about 7 o'clock every day.
4. What time is it now?
Quick, May. It's late.
No, it isn't. It's only 4 o'clock. The film doesn't start until 4:30.
Oh, sorry. My watch is wrong. It says 25 minutes past.
That's okay.
Okay, Uyen. I have here 2 questions only. Which other times do you hear? Which other times do you hear?
Which other time?
Okay, do you hear?
Yes.
Did you hear 3:30 and 2 o'clock? We have 2 times. We hear 2 times. We have the 3:30 and 2 o'clock. Okay? Number 2 question. What activities happen at those times? At 3:30 and 2 o'clock, what activities happen? What? Did you hear activity? Okay.
Wait me a minute.
Okay. Look at here. Look at teacher. Sally wanted to come home at 3:30. They usually have lunch at 2. So first question here is 3:30 and 2 o'clock. We have 2 times. First is the 3:30, second is the 2 o'clock. In 3:30 time, Sally wanted to come home. That's 3:30. Oh yeah. Second, at 2 o'clock, they usually have their lunch. Okay? Okay, you understand, Uyan? You understand, teacher? You understand? Okay, there are 2 times, 3:30 and 2 o'clock. In 3:30, what happened in 3:30? Uyan, you answer me. What happened in 3:30? In 3:30, what happened? Sally wanted to come home at 3:30. At 2 p.m., what happened? They have their lunch. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, yes. So you understand this. What are you writing there? Are you writing something? You imagine that? What's that? You imagine that? What are you writing?
I don't write.
Okay, I don't write. Okay, you understand. So again, there are 2 times that mentioned in the story, in the audio. First is 3:30, in which Sally wanted to come home. 2 o'clock, in which they will have their lunch. Do you understand, Uyan?
Yes.
Okay, exactly. Very good. Yay. Good job, my dear Uyan. Okay, so tomorrow, Uyan, okay, let's hear. Okay, wait for a while. So tomorrow, listen to teacher, we'll be having our listening test again. So that is, we are already in Cat
Oh.
4. Yeah, we are already in Cat 4. We are not finished, I guess. So we're going to finish that. And yeah.
Look in the eyes of the Pikachu.
Oh, in the eyes of the Pikachu. What happened with the eyes, with the Pikachu's eyes? It's turning big, but the color of Pikachu's eyes is color pink.
Ay.
Ay. Okay. So, ay. Okay. So, okay, show me your face now. Okay, where is your face? Your beautiful face and your Pikachu. Is that Pikachu head there?
No.
This one? Oh, it's very nice. So cute. Oh, it's love. It's love. Wow, very nice. It's love. Oh. So, again, Uyan, tomorrow we'll be having our Cat 4. we will check if we are done, and then if we are not yet done, we'll have to continue that one. And if we are done already, we will move to cat task 5. Okay. Cat is getting harder, but you are very good. Yay! Good job. Okay. And then you will have your first regular test with teacher on, wait, that will be on 20. Okay, I check this one. I already have the list. You will be having your first regular test on December 21. That is Monday. So you will have your first regular test on Monday, December 21. Okay? Okay, am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, so for now, teacher will say goodbye. Your mom is not there.
Yes.
Where is she? In the market?
No.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay, Uyen. So, teacher,
Do you want to see my mom?
do you want to see my mom? Okay, where's your mom?
Hello, teacher.
Hi, good morning, mom. Okay.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, good morning. So, did you understand already the what's that? The one that Bin An told you in the Zalo. Hi, good morning, kid boy.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Oh, very cute. Looks like Uyen.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't understand what that means. So, I think that you mean this lesson very easy for her, right?
Okay.
What does mean?
Yeah.
You want to change?
Yeah. What I mean is that Uyen is learning flyers, right? Flyers. Flyers for reading and writing. She's learning flyers. But she's also learning cat for listening.
Yeah.
Okay. So we will have the test. And Ben An told me Uyen will have cat test 1. Okay. So we will use the cat test 1 for the regular test. And otherwise, I told Bin An that Uyen didn't have the cat reading. He didn't have the cat reading test because we are using the reading for flyers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what will I suggest? We have to try. I will try Uyen to use reading cat. I need to try Uyen to use the reading cat. Okay, so she can try. She will be familiar what will be the reading look like because Ben An told me we need to use cat test 1. Okay.
Okay.
At least it's very good. At least Uyen has already the has already the knowledge how to answer that one. Okay.
Okay.
So tomorrow I'll be giving reading test 1 reading lesson for Uyen under cat. Okay? Okay, ma'am. So is that clear?
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Exactly.
Yeah, okay. Bye-bye, little
Bye-bye.
boy. Oh, really looks like Uyen. Exactly. Looks like Uyen. Looks like
Bye-bye,
Uyen.
teacher.
Yes, bye. Bye. Okay, bye, ma'am.
Okay,
See you
bye-bye.
tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Okay, yeah, of course. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.